Through the Caribbean, the Category 5 storm has already killed at least 10 people and left behind a massive path of destruction. Well, right now, the Dominican Republic is getting hammered by those powerful winds, and it could look like this in Florida very soon. ABC's Stephanie Ramos is live now from Miami this noon with more.
Adriana, this storm is no joke. It has basically reduced the island of Barbuda to rubble, and that storm is expected to head this way. Florida's governor says people need to leave their homes as soon as an evacuation order is put in place.
Hurricane Irma is said to be the most powerful storm to travel over the Atlantic Ocean, and it's left half of Puerto Rico without power. Nearly 1 million people are in the dark and about 50,000 without water. And on St. Martin, scenes of widespread devastation. 185-mile-per-hour winds tore through the island paradise, up to 8 deaths being reported. And on the tiny island of Barbuda, officials report at least 95% of its structures are damaged.
The entire country has been decimated. I have never seen anything like this before.
Back on the mainland, Floridians are bracing for what's coming their way, scrambling to prepare for Hurricane Irma's wrath. Crowds lined up outside this grocery store hours before it opened its doors. Gas lines stretching for miles, with many stations sold out.
We have to get the fuel as fast as we can out so everybody has the fuel to evacuate.
The governor says to expect a long wait, but they won't stop working to get fuel to everyone.
I'm very nervous. I've been driving around for 30 minutes and my car was on E for like the past hour.
And in the danger zone, people are boarding up homes and businesses. Officials issuing mandatory evacuations for low-lying areas, including the Keys. The state urging residents to get out now.
This is not a storm you can sit and wait through.
Florida's governor also says with Irma's size as big as the state, residents on both coasts should be prepared to evacuate. Reporting live from Miami, Stephanie Ramos, ABC 7 News.
All right, thanks, Stephanie. And you were talking about that cone. At this point, it's just too early to really tell exactly where it's going to hit, so that's why everyone has to prepare.
The closer you are in time, in other words, the forecast, if you take where the hurricane is now, where it will be in 24 hours and 36 hours, the chance of it being very close to that exact spot, very high.
Yeah.
But when you extend that same forecast out 4 days, there's a margin of error. And that's based on experience errors in past hurricane forecasts. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And I don't want to eat up a lot of time here, but one little factoid might help put a lot of this in perspective for you. And that is, many of you we've heard have been through, like our Category 1 hurricane, have seen that. Just remember this. The potential wind damage from a Category 5 hurricane like Irma is 500 times greater than that of a Category 1 hurricane. That's why Barbuda was, you saw what it see, and why there's so much concern going forward. So let's get into it here and tell you the very latest. So we have 3 hurricanes. In my 2/3 of a century on the planet, I've seen a lot of strange things, but this is something you don't see very often. In fact, the last time we've had 3 hurricanes at the same time in view was about 7 years ago. So we got Hurricane Kasha in the southern Gulf, Bay of Campeche. It will make landfall probably near Veracruz. And then we've got the newest one, Hurricane Jose, a big storm in itself getting stronger. That is going to attack and track to the west-northwest, kind of in this direction. Can't rule out some effects on some island areas in a few days. But this is the center of attraction right now, and for good reason. Look at the beautiful sky right now in Miami. It's a peaceful, tranquil setting. What you don't see are the neighborhoods where people are really busy trying to prepare, the roadways that are getting jammed, and then the people just going to work and trying to do their business. Things will change here dramatically starting later tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, and by tomorrow evening, according to the hurricane forecasters, if you plan to, people there plan to leave Friday night, it'll be too late. Just not enough time before the advance of Irma. Still Category 5, sustained winds 175, gusting to 215. There'll be a major update at 5 this afternoon and a readjustment in the track, or maybe they won't readjust it that much, but the idea is the same. It's going to generally head to South Florida, probably getting close to landfall or making landfall or just offshore, and then maybe again farther north towards the Georgia-South Carolina coast, and then head inland. Because it's such a large storm, it will take quite a while for it to weaken. It will weaken after landfall, they always do, but the question is what happens after it makes approach, what's it going to do along this way, where will it make landfall, And then what happens next? Well, models making a strong case that it's going to head to the north and west. The Euro model is predicting in their forecast 106-mile-per-hour gusts early Monday in Palm Beach and a 91-mile-per-hour gust Monday evening in Savannah, so potentially a huge storm. Our weather concerns don't exist in the short term. Sunshine and 75 today, and as we head through the weekend, more sunshine, low 70s, and that's the story for the rest of the entire week. We'll talk more in a bit. Meanwhile, ABC 7 News at noon returns after this.
Need new furniture? Price Busters lets you buy it today and get it today with zero, zilch, zip, nothing down. 7-piece living room, $398. 9-piece bedroom, $444. It's all in stock, so leave your checkbook at home. Buy it today, get it today with zero, zilch, zip, nothing down at Price Busters Furniture.
What's the secret behind the most unique drink ever? Fresh ingredients, a dash of magic, and a whole lot of laughter. Made from scratch, right at your table.